Hey guys, what's up? Keith Rainville here, the Fat Yankee, my friends. So listen, we are gonna do a beef jerky review today, my friends. We actually are gonna just go into Branchish Jerky over here, branchishjerky.com. The gentleman's name is Chris. He is out of my home state of Rhode Island. He recently got approved. I think it was about 3 weeks ago. We worked on it and got that all squared away, the HACCP plan, and got everything ironed out. He finally got approved with all his hard work, guys. So let's get into his jerky. We got Unami here, which is a Japanese word meaning delicious, meaty, and savory. So that's pretty cool. Great packaging. He's got his website on here, branchishjerky.com, guys. And on the back of the package, he's got the ingredients as well as the do not eat packet, which is, again, crazy that we have to have that on here these days and tell people not to eat the oxygen absorber packet inside the jerky. It's just ludicrous. But so we got Unami here, okay, that we're gonna review, and the curry here. And I actually already did the basic as well. So guys, we're gonna bang these two out in this video. So let's get to it. This is the curry flavor. So now I'm going to do smell-o-vision here, which is curry is an Indian spice, guys. So very good oxygen absorber package here. Very nice and tender. The smell is absolutely, this is nice jerky. Like I used to do a 1/4 inch too. I love thick jerky like this. I'm gonna try that. And now it's very tender, you can tell. And also we got the nice spider webs when we pull this apart. Okay. This is some curry, that's for sure. So, with this jerky, the first thing I get is just such a overwhelmingly strong flavor of just good, solid, dried out beef, okay? Which is super awesome. There's a ton of jerky in this bag. This bag is, looks like 3.5 ounces. So yeah, there's a lot of jerky in here. And flavor is delicious, not too spicy. Definitely tastes that Indian curry in there. A ton of garlic in here as well. Just a great flavor. One of the things I love about beef jerky that is cut thick is you can taste the meat all the way through, and it's very tender. So this is delicious. It's a great flavor, guys, and not too spicy. Okay. So that's his curry flavor. Guys, highly recommend it. Nice cold beer. This is cold beer drinking food. Nice cold, good beer, like you know, like even a Blue Moon with something like this, absolutely delicious. Even if you're like the lighter stuff like Coors Light, man, nice cold Coors Light with this, good stuff, guys. So listen, we're gonna get into this one here. His next flavor is called Unami. So this is the one that really intrigued me because of the name. It's a Japanese name meaning delicious, and it's meat and savory. So guys, let's get to this one. But his curry, guys, excellent flavor, and again, not too spicy if you're a little bit faint of heart with the spice. So check that out, my friends. But right now, this is awesome. I get such a just a great feeling, especially when I see the success of my students inside the course when they bring their beef jerky to market from start to finish, guys. So Branchish Jerky, okay? So again, cool name. This is Branchish Jerky. Again, Chris out of Coventry, Rhode Island. Check it out, branchishjerky.com. So that's BRANCHISH jerky.com, okay, my friends? So this is the Asian one, okay? So now this is cool. Let me try this out. Let's check this out, guys. All right. Wow, this is such a unique flavor. I have never smelled a jerky like this. It seems like he uses some either anisette or star. I think it's called star anise. It's like a black licorice. It smells like. Okay, so this is super cool. We're gonna check this out. This is his This is his Unami flavor, handcrafted, no nitrates in here. Another, again, just great texture. It smells super, super just different. Wow, very unique flavor, very unique Asian flavor to this jerky here. So now, yeah, I'm getting just like that licorice flavor in the background, but strong beef flavor, saltiness to it. It has a nice saltiness to it. I would say a little bit over the medium as far as saltiness goes. So this is a little bit saltier than some jerkies I've had. But again, it has that great tenderness and texture. Again, look at the spider webs on that. When you pull it apart, you know it's done. Okay. One more time. Just a very unique flavor, guys. I can't hardly describe this. It has such an Asian flavor to it, but it has a little bit of a sweetness, a saltiness, and then you get that background flavor of the just like it's kind of like a light black licorice flavor. Very unique, guys. So this is called his Unami flavor. Guys, if you want to try this jerky out, help Chris get started. BranchishJerky.com, guys. So again, BranchishJerky.com. So check it out. Check out all the flavors he has. And again, congratulate Chris if you talk to him on bringing his jerky to market, guys. So Chris, great job, my friend. Thanks so much for sending the jerky out. We really appreciate it, and congratulations on your success, okay? Guys, this is the Fat Yankee signing off, my friends. Take care. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so we can continue to make these videos for you and like the video. Okay, guys? Take care.